koyie to thegre kanyo kod siasa mag dhoudi weche maket kod magieki no yango kina bende no yuore nyasi moro mar choko omenda SDA Karachuonyo SDA Makanyadhiang kar chungo bura ma Karachuonyo bende yudore county nendo ma Homa Bay. Oyango ni piny Kenya thoro bedo kanyendo kod liet mapek mag siasa ahinya to kinde go eko ma bende koro ji geto dhi yiero madongo ma pacho kaeki. Oyango ni liet makamago eko ikelo kanyendo kod jo siasa giwegi mathothgi ohero nyayo kanyo siasa mag dhoudi ka bende moko kuom jo siasa tiyo kod weche kata lep maricho ma bende koro kinde ka kinde kelo pogruok e kinde ganda jo Kenya. Wetangula kwa ganda jo Kenya mondo makre lwedo kamoro achiel kata kinde gi eki ma bende weche mag siasa pod medo dhi nyime pacho kaendi ka wechego oserwedo kanyo endo kod jaod bura ma Homa Bay Town Migosi Peter Opondo Kaluma mano yango kanyo eko ni ker mathur kaendi Migosi William Samuel Ruto sebedo ka siro dongruoge mapek ne jodak go kuma wuok e alwora mar Nyanza ka bende koro kwayo ganda jo Kenya mondo ti kanyakla machiegni kod ker mathur ka ne dongruoge mamoko ma bende pod biro mbele.
Muombe rais wetu, muombe viongozi, tupunguze mabishano isiyo na maana na matusi ya siasa ili tupeleke nchi yetu mbele. Nothing personal. Munauza sera, mkimaliza mnabaki kuwa Wakenya. Munauza mambo ya maendeleo, mkimaliza mnabaki kuwa marafiki. Pia viongozi wenu wameamua kwa kauli moja kwamba pale mzee Raila aliwaacha ndio tutakuwa. Tuunganishe nchi yetu. Tangu uhuru, when Tom Mboya was the Minister for Planning, that is the nearest jamii yeni ilikaribia treasury. Pia tukumbushane ya kwamba Kenya hii lazima iwe kitu kimoja. Na kwa mara ya kwanza tunaona Northeastern barabara za lami zinajengwa. Hapa Nyanza barabara zinajengwa. Kule Western barabara zinajengwa. Kule Pwani barabara zinajengwa. Zamani area zingine Kenya hii watoto walikuwa wanasoma barabara ya lami kwa vitabu. Wanaona michoro, wanaambiwa hii barabara mvua ikinyesha haiwezi kupata matope. Hii barabara mvua ikinyesha huwezi kukwama. Lakini sasa wanaiona, wanaifeel. Na hiyo ndio Kenya tunataka.
Yeah, Speaker, this is the zone of the ODM party. Baba left us recently, but Baba's last communication to our people, and Baba told us to remain united, to remain in the ODM party, and never to leave the broad-based government, which he said will be going beyond 2027. And so, Speaker, when you go back and when you'll be speaking with the President, tell the President that we are firmly in broad-based government. Tell the President that this is his land and he can come anytime. Tell the President we will stand with him because everything he agreed to do together with the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, he continues to do them. And so President Ruto has integrated all Kenyans and mainstreamed them and included them into his government. And because of that, we don't fear to support him. We are working together with him, and the President is welcome any day, good Speaker.
Tanimiga mochung kanyo na weche mag tudruok e piny